So this is the MagCam phone grip, and this is the MagGlow phone light by PGYTech. And in my opinion, these are must-have accessories to take your phone and your photography to that next level. The links to both of these are in the description below. Make sure to check out the details for all the latest pricing information and any other information around discounts or offers that they have running from time to time. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at both of these. So this is the MagCam. You can see I have this in black, but this actually comes in 3 different colors. You can get this in misty gray and also mint green. This is a very versatile and portable design, and it does have some modules that you can disconnect from this. The magnetic plate here can actually be detached. If we go ahead and use the quick release, this comes off. You have yourself the module itself. Let's just take a closer look at this. So on the back, you have 4 LED indicators showcasing the battery life on this. It does have a lanyard strap as well, which I've connected. It's very convenient if you are going outdoors to do your filming or taking photos. This is the quick release for the back plate that I've just taken off. It has a nice rubberized grip here as well. The module itself is plastic, but it is very easy to hold and comfortable in your hands. You can see there's 3000 mAh battery in the MagCam. Just on the front, you have a function switch there, which I'll showcase what this can do. You have yourself the zoom slider, the shutter button to start the recording or take pictures, and this is the on-off button to pair this with your phone via Bluetooth. But one thing I also want to mention is this top part also comes off, is magnetic, and you can use this as a remote Bluetooth shutter for your phone. So up to 10 meters away, you can use this to start recording just by pressing that, or you can take photos from it. So this is very convenient as well, just gives you all of the options that you need, especially if you are taking some photos or videos by yourself. Now you can just use this as a standalone attachment to the back of your phone. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at the light. And this is the MagGlow fill light. You see there's a power button to turn it on, and you can also use this to change the mode and the brightness levels. This is USB-C chargeable, it's 300 milliamp hours. It gives you 30 minutes of battery life. If you open this up, you can also use this as a kickstand if you place it on the back of your phone. But because this is magnetic, you don't necessarily have to use it on your phone. Any metallic surface, you can just connect it and help you take the right shots at the right angles with the right lighting. Okay, I've just turned off all the lights just to show you how great this looks. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. So it starts off with a very warm light. If I press the mode button once, this is a cool light. And then the last one is daylight. So those are the 3 levels on the Kelvin scale. It's very convenient. And if you want to change the brightness levels, it goes to level 2 and level 3. And that is extremely bright. So it's very convenient to use if you are in very low lighting conditions, or if you're outdoors at nighttime and it's very dark. And we'll take some sample photos to showcase how great this looks with a before and after picture with this and without this. Okay, so I will be setting this up with my iPhone 16 Pro. However, this is not only made for iPhones. If you do have an Android phone, in the box, you do get this metallic adhesive ring that you can attach to the back of your Android phone and then just start using the products like normal. The slight differences between an Android and an iPhone is this function button just at the front of the module. On an Android phone, this can actually allow you to have quick launch from standby. You can switch between photo and video mode, and you can flip the camera, so from the back lens to the selfie lens. With an iOS and an iPhone, this only allows you to do the camera flip, so you can actually switch between the selfie and the back lens, which is absolutely fine. I think some of the other things are just additional extras and a bonus, to be honest. But let's go ahead and attach this to the back of my iPhone. So I'll have it connected like this, but you can also connect the fill light on top of the MagCam. So this is the all-in-one solution for your filming and your photography. Let's just take a closer look of how this works. Okay, so if you do use this with an iPhone, there is one thing you need to change in the settings for it to use all of the buttons. If you go into settings, you go into accessibility, scroll a little bit and go into touch. Then you go into assistive touch and you have to turn this on. If you scroll down, just make sure the tracking sensitivity is all the way down. The very last thing that you have to do for it to work, if you scroll down to your main settings and turn on the orientation lock, this would then allow you to use all of the buttons. If I go ahead and turn on the camera now, right, so I'm on video mode, and let's go ahead and try zooming in. And there you go. It works fairly well, to be honest. I can even zoom out to the ultra wide. and it goes at a slower and more manageable pace, I would say, with the zoom feature. But I'm okay with that, especially if I'm just holding it with one hand. Okay, now I'm on photo mode. I can actually half press the shutter button and this will do the focus. There you see. Let me go ahead and just zoom in to my shelf, and then I will just do the focus on that. And when I'm ready to take the photo, let's do a half press on the lights, and then I will take the picture. And of course, because the orientation lock is on, this is the photo. And now let me do the camera flip by double pressing the function button at the back. There we go. You can see responsive, and turn it back to the other side. So that is convenient. That's basically all of the functionality. And of course, if I wanted to set this on a tripod and then just do remote shooting, I can take this module off and then just use that to start taking photos and videos at a distance. Let's go ahead and turn on the fill light. So we'll go ahead and power this on. And if you just have the fill light or you connect it with the MagCam, you can just turn it around and then flip it outwards so that the light faces you. So if I'm recording myself with the selfie camera, this is so convenient. If you're a vlogger and maybe you have a YouTube channel that you use your phone and maybe you use it with the selfie camera, then this is going to be convenient to make sure you have the best lighting in place as well, because this does go very bright. So I wanted to just showcase how it looks with and without the light on. So I'm going to take a quick recording of that. Okay, so let's go ahead and start the recording. The MagGlow is currently off, and you can see it's a little bit grainy. It's not super clear because I don't have a direct light source on me. But what I'm going to go and do now is turn on the MagGlow and have it at the cool white light and showcase how great this looks, especially if I want to illuminate myself. And this is also the same when I take some pictures. So let me do that now. And now this is the recording with the MagGlow turned on. I've got it to level 2 brightness, and I've not gone to the highest brightness because I think this is doing a good enough job. And you can just see the clarity in the video. It just makes it seem like the resolution is higher, it's so much clearer. And that is a big bonus when I do take videos like this in low lighting conditions. So the MagGlow, I think, is a very convenient and must-have accessory for anyone that does filming with their phones. And now I've mounted it onto my tripod, which I definitely recommend if you are going to use this setup for your own photography or your filming. It just makes everything more stable and less shaky. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and showcase some sample photos I've taken with the MagGlow before and after, just to showcase the power of this light, especially when you are in darker environments. And there you have it. That is the MagCam and the MagGlow by PGYTech. Make sure to check the links in the description. But as always, if you do have any comments or questions about this device, then make sure to drop them down below. If you enjoyed this review and you like the look of this product, then make sure to like this video, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you all next time.